We start tonight out of the State House. Transgender Kansans are reacting to the latest update in a legal battle over gender markers. The Attorney General is trying to ice out several people who filed to intervene in his driver's license lawsuit.
27 News Capitol Bureau reporter Rebecca Chung joins us live from the State House. Rebecca, explain where the lawsuit stands right now.
Yeah, the ACLU filed to intervene in that lawsuit on behalf of 5 transgender Kansans. But in his latest court filing, Kobach is trying to prevent them from stepping in. Kansas Attorney General Chris Kobach is asking a district court judge to block several transgender Kansans from intervening in his lawsuit to bar sex listing changes on driver's licenses.
It creates a morass, it creates a problem when you have a party coming in on one side, then shifting over to the other side.
Kobach argues it could create a legal mess if his office is successful in preventing the Department of Motor Vehicles from issuing changes on licenses.
If we prevail, which we expect we will, the law is quite clear on the claim of what the law does mean, then suddenly the ACLU would be opposed to the Department of Revenue. And we will be defending the Department of Revenue because the Attorney General's office is the chief attorney for the entire state.
It's a turn of events he thinks is likely to happen, but transgender Kansans standing in solidarity with the 5 in the lawsuit are pushing back.
You cannot try to attempt to make a law or file a lawsuit and not allow the people that you're speaking about in the room and at the table.
Kobach argues that the transgender Kansans have no substantial interest in this case and wants to keep them out of it entirely. He says he wants to keep the case focused on his argument that a new state law would require driver's licenses to reflect someone's sex at birth.
Every transgender person, every parent of a transgender youth has substantial interest in this. It doesn't matter whether we just got it changed or not.
They can bring their own case at a later stage, or another alternative would be to bifurcate the case and deal with the question of what the statute means, and then at the second stage of the case, if the ACLU wants to come in, let them do that.
Now, a hearing date on the motion to intervene is set for August 16th here in Shawnee County. Meanwhile, an injunction hearing for Kobach's lawsuit is set for November 1st, and a temporary order is extended until then to prevent the state from changing sex listings on driver's licenses. For now, reporting live at the Capitol, I'm Rebecca Chung.